It's almost Epic Day.
Hello from Stella Nova, close to Epic Universe. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Guys, thank you all so much for coming by and checking us out.
Today, we're finally staying at another new resort. We're so excited because, like Brian said, tomorrow is going to be our Epic Day.
Yes, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and check us out every Wednesday and Sunday for brand new videos. Yes.
And please don't forget to comment. We love seeing those. And don't forget to like the video as well.
Amber, it is time to check into the sister hotel to the hotel we stayed at before. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's
We're
go.
excited.
Amber was just saying how pretty it looks. I haven't seen this much beauty since I saw my wife for the first time. Ow!
Oh, the sun went down.
I know. But look at these tiles. Look how cool these tiles look. Aren't they amazing? And here it is. Very similar. So we did get upgraded. And we're at the bottom, at the end in the corner.
I like the carpet.
Yeah.
What the inside looks like. You have to be quiet.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what time of the day it is.
No.
Should we have gotten
It's the
decorate here? I don't think you go to Disney.
I don't know.
I haven't seen many people. Oh, I could animate. I think we did.
So we're staying in room 6000. Yeah. Wow. This is, oh my goodness. Look at that wall.
Okay, so this one I think is a little bit better.
Well, we got the corner.
I know, but like decorations and stuff, from what I remember, it's so pretty.
I know. I just hope the motion detector works better than the last one.
There's so many outlets here.
Oh my God. Amber.
Hold on, Brian. Look.
Oh, there it is. Remember, it reminds me of being in one of the houses where I couldn't figure out how to get out. Oh my God, we got Dark Universe right there. And Helios.
And Nintendo World.
And Nintendo World. All right.
So you can see our car from here?
You can.
Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah. All right, so our car is Where's that? Hold on. All right, our car's right there.
They can't see if you're pointing at the screen.
Oh, yeah. It's the blue one.
You have to go like this. Our car is over.
Our car is
there somewhere. See?
Our car is right here by the truck.
You're pointing on the screen.
All right. That's Super Mario World. That's Helios, and look, that's the backside of Dark Universe. You can see, oh my God, Amber, you can see the windmill.
So at nighttime tonight will probably be. Oh no, it's already lit up. You can see it.
Yeah.
But at night.
All right, when you first walk in, this switch controls this light here. We have the closet, like the same one on the other side. You have a small safe, iron board, luggage rack, laundry bag, and iron board.
It's a different set.
Yeah. And then I do like this privacy.
I still like this. Or you can
Yeah, I do like that. And then the sink and everything's the same. The shower's the same. The scents are all the same.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm checking.
Okay. Oh, it does say Stella Nova.
It says Stella Nova. It's Cosmic Ember.
Mm.
Is that what we had last time?
That part I don't remember. They do have a shaving footstool thing, which is kind of cool. It does come with a hair dryer. Now, last time we were here, Amber had to take off everything brand new,
I know.
which was kind of
It's okay,
fascinating.
we don't this time.
Our experience last time with this, which we have to lower this down a little bit, was that everything was,
Well, that is loud.
yeah, everything was motion controlled.
Yeah, the lights still are. So it's the same.
The small
Nice.
refrigerator.
Yeah.
The drawers are all the same.
Yeah,
So-
everything's the same.
Oh, it's soft closed.
Yeah.
When we came in, our name was on the TV, so that was kind of a cool touch.
All the outlets.
All the outlets have USB-C and USB.
It says, and then it tells you everything here, like checkout, if you need anything, things like that. Little pad. 2 queens.
2 queens, which they look smaller, but we also have a king bed, so it's kind of hard to know if it's.
It's a decent size for a queen. It's like
Yeah.
a big queen, I think.
But they do have a small table and small chair.
Cute little lamp again. Oh, whoa! This is iridescent. Do you see?
Yes. That is cool. Oh, the floor kind of matches the carpet outside in the room. And look at this chick. She's just fascinated. See, I think her husband did good this time.
This time.
Look at that storm moving in, though.
That is so cool to see it from out here.
I know.
Too bad we have to check out tomorrow. Because we're just staying one night.
I
A
know.
little staycation.
Maybe I'm sick, and I'll call out for tomorrow.
Well, subscribe and we can afford another day. This is so cool just to see.
Yeah.
At night, I bet you it's going to be awesome too. You can see a lot more up here too. You can see. Well, the eye was up there, but I don't. It's probably on the other side.
Yeah.
You can see the plane. Oh, Brian, did you see the Starlight Racers? You see them?
Yeah.
So it is side by side. They said yellow's higher and green isn't, or something like that.
Yep.
I mean, we're excited. I hope you can hear us. And my sickness is, I feel, going away. So tomorrow's gonna be a long day.
It's going to be a long day. We're planning on so with this stay, you get an hour of early admission.
And certain rides.
And
Epic.
yeah. And We plan on staying until close, which I believe is 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Hopefully.
So that just makes for a long day.
I mean, we did it with HHN.
We
gotta
did.
get used to that again. It's coming up soon.
Yeah, but that's like 5 hours. This is...
No, not if you choose Stay and Scream.
This is 14.
We got it.
So,
We're theme parkers.
I know. Sorry for the extreme zoom, but look at Helios. Oh, Amber, you gotta look at this. I know I'm zoomed in like hardcore.
Looks beautiful.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it does.
That is cool. And then I'm going to jump back out, so I'm sorry about that. But look at that.
The only thing I wish that this hotel and the other hotel had was more handicap parking, because I think you only get, what, 10?
Yeah.
And it's all right there.
Yeah, all the handicap parking is basically from that black car to that blue car. That is it for the whole entire hotel. So it's very limited. All the other ones are either electric or the rental car. Even over here is for electric. So it is very limited.
I mean, it is a big parking lot, which is good. And at least like you can see the parking lot. Well, from where we're staying. So if you want a good view so far, ask for a corner room.
Corner room.
And like your specifics or requests.
Yeah. So we got chicken tenders. I know it sounds like we splurged, but I promise you we didn't. We did get a 10-inch pizza, and we got 2 drinks and an Enterprise discount for a grand total of $34.51. But this place looks really cool. They do call your name. Even these booths look really nice. We do have a Coke freestyle machine, and Amber's like, "Hey, bro, we gotta get to bed soon." And it is paper straws, but they will vibrate us or call our name, one of the two. I'm not sure exactly which, but I'm excited. So our food finally arrived. This is the tenant's pizza.
It didn't take that long though.
It didn't take that long at all.
You said finally arrived.
I know. It actually took only like 5 or 10 minutes. This is the kids' meal, and it is, and Amber only ate like 2 fries. And look, it's a ton of food.
That's a lot of food.
Bird. And then the drinks, you get like an hour refills. If you get this in the park, you only get like 1 fill up, and that's it. So
Buy the refill card with the freestyle cup.
yeah, and unless you get the refillable cup, we're not using our mic, so I don't know if you can hear Amber, but this is a ton of food. I was expecting less. This is the 10-inch.
Oh, baby, you should have got the kids.
I should have got this. I should have got the kids' meal. This is ridiculous. I'm not going to eat all this.
Breakfast. We have pepperoni for breakfast.
Amber's not going to eat all that.
Pizza for breakfast.
Amber's not going to. She's not even going to come close. She may eat a tender or 2, and that's it.
I mean, the tenders are pretty big. I think they're bigger than like Mel's Diner.
Yeah. So, wish us luck. It's not the good kind.
It's just plain.
Yeah. But all right.